Did you know that by age 80, the average person loses up to 50% of their muscle mass? This devastating condition, called sarcopenia, affects over 50 million seniors worldwide, and it's silently robbing millions of their independence. Every year, over 300,000 seniors are hospitalized from falls directly linked to muscle weakness. But here's the shocking part. Research from the Journal of Physiology shows this massive muscle loss isn't inevitable. While most 70-year-olds struggle to climb stairs, some are hiking mountains and lifting weights. They're called superagers, and they maintain the strength, function, and appearance of people decades younger. So, what's their secret? Scientists at the Mayo Clinic have identified 7 specific habits that can slow, stop, and even reverse age-related muscle loss, and 93% of seniors are completely unaware of them. But here's the kicker. The number one habit, backed by Harvard researchers, is something most doctors never even mention. Worse, many give advice that directly contradicts it. Stay with us, because the first habit we reveal is something you're probably doing wrong every single day. Fixing it could be the difference between staying independent or becoming dependent. Before we begin, let us know in the comments where you're watching from, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more life-changing videos. Let's dive into the 7 powerful habits that help 80-year-olds stay strong. Habit number 7, hormetic stressors. What's the most counterintuitive thing these strong seniors do? They stress themselves on purpose, not mental stress. Hormetic stress. A small dose of physical stress that triggers your body's repair mechanisms. It's the science behind the saying, what doesn't kill you makes you stronger. First, cold exposure. Ending your shower with 30 seconds of cold water activates brown fat, boosts mitochondria, and releases adiponectin, a hormone that protects your muscles. Then there's heat exposure. Regular sauna use, 4 to 7 times a week, was shown in a Finnish study to reduce muscle loss by 40% over 10 years. Next, intermittent fasting. Eating within an 8 to 10 hour window triggers autophagy, your body's cellular cleanup crew. Even without weight loss, this process boosts mitochondrial function in your muscles by 10% in just 12 weeks. Finally, overcoming isometrics. Pushing or pulling against an immovable object for 5 to 10 seconds tells your muscles, don't shrink. These practices are brief, intense, and followed by recovery. They activate longevity genes that specifically preserve muscle tissue. Start small, build gradually, use mild stress to grow stronger. Habit number 6, strategic protein timing. It's not just how much protein you eat, it's when you eat it that matters. As we age, we develop anabolic resistance. Our muscles stop responding well to protein. A study in the Journal of Nutrition found that evenly distributing protein throughout the day stimulates 25% more muscle growth than eating it all at dinner. Superagers aim for 25 to 30 grams of high-quality protein at each meal. That means protein at breakfast, eggs, Greek yogurt, or a protein smoothie, protein at lunch, and again at dinner. This simple shift helped seniors in a University of Texas study gain over a pound of muscle without changing anything else. So don't wait until dinner. Feed your muscles all day long. Habit number 5, vitamin D optimization. Over 80% of seniors are deficient in vitamin D, what researchers now call. Your muscle cells have specific receptors for vitamin D. When activated, they turn on the genes for muscle growth. A study found that seniors with optimal vitamin D levels had 25% more muscle strength and better balance. The ideal level? Over 40 nanograms per milliliter. But most seniors are under 20, and that's considered deficient. Here's the fix. Most need 2,000 to 4,000 IU daily, not the outdated 600 IU recommendation. Also eat vitamin D-rich foods, fatty fish, egg yolks, and fortified dairy. But don't forget vitamin K2. It keeps calcium out of your arteries and sends it to your bones. Together, D3 and K2 form a muscle-saving combo that most doctors overlook. Habit number 4, daily inflammation management. Chronic inflammation, called inflammaging, is one of the top causes of muscle loss in seniors. It breaks down muscle faster than your body can rebuild it. A landmark Tufts University study found that seniors with high inflammation lost muscle, even if they exercised and ate well. Superagers fight inflammation daily using 4 key strategies. 1. Prioritize sleep, 7 to 8 hours in a pitch-black room. 2. Support gut health. Eat 30+ different plant foods weekly and include fermented foods like kefir and sauerkraut. 3. Train smart moderate exercise daily with only 1 to 2 high-intensity sessions weekly. 4. Use natural anti-inflammatories, omega-3, curcumin, green tea, and olive oil. Get your inflammation tested with A. Superagers keep it under 1.0 milligrams per liter. Habit number 3, daily micronutrient optimization. Muscles don't just need protein, they need micronutrients to use that protein. Top priority, magnesium. Over 70% of seniors are deficient. It's essential for muscle contraction, energy, and recovery. Dark leafy greens, nuts, and seeds are great sources, or supplement with magnesium glycinate. Next, creatine. Not just for bodybuilders, creatine increases muscle, strength, and even brain function in seniors. Take 3 to 5 grams daily. Then there's methylated B12, critical for nerve and muscle energy. Seniors often need supplementation because absorption drops with age. Finally, zinc, selenium, and chromium. These trace minerals support protein synthesis and insulin sensitivity. Superagers test their levels, then supplement only what's needed. Habit number 2, neuromuscular junction protection. Most seniors don't lose muscle first, they lose the connection between brain and muscle. These are called neuromuscular junctions. They're like power cables, and they fray with age. Superagers keep theirs strong through precision movements like Tai Chi, dancing, ping pong, and tennis. Breathing exercises like box breathing, supplements like alpha-lipoic acid and acetyl L-carnitine, and brain training, yes, cognitive stimulation boosts muscle too. Studies show these activities preserve neuromuscular function by over 30%. Habit number 1, progressive resistance training. This is the single most powerful muscle-preserving habit. Not light weights or water aerobics, not walking for 10 minutes. We're talking about real resistance training with progressive overload. That means increasing resistance over time. Focus on compound movements, squats, rows, presses, modified for safety if needed. Train to near failure, safely and with proper form. Do this just twice a week, and research shows strength can improve 35% in 12 weeks. Even seniors in their 70s and 80s can gain muscle with this exact approach. So let's recap. Hormetic stress, strategic protein timing, vitamin D and K2, inflammation control, targeted micronutrients, neuromuscular activation, and resistance training. Start with just one habit today. Your future self will thank you. Now we want to hear from you. Which habit surprised you the most? Which one are you already doing? Let us know in the comments and share this video with someone who needs it. Thanks for watching Vital Wellness, where we help you live strong, live long, and live well.